Hey, what's going on YouTube? John Lee here with Drone Zones USA, and I'm super excited to tell you and show you guys this awesome 3D modeling software, mapping software, OrthoMosaic software drone deploy. I had my first drone up mission. It was really cool. It wasn't really necessarily about the money as it was the experience, and I have to show you how cool this is. If you don't see the value in this, well, then it's not for you. But if you do see the value in this, then this is definitely for you. The detail is just phenomenal in these renderings. There's tons of different cool stuff that you can do with this software, and I want to show you just how awesome it is. So you can see the surroundings really well. You can see all your equipment. You can make sure that stuff is where it belongs, and there hasn't been any damage to the property. Just a great way to keep eyes on a project, and just a great way to see the progress. As you can see here, we're kind of looking for the AC units. It's a great way to get a scope of just the entire overall project. You can see what kind of trash is there, if people have been getting into stuff, people have been tampering with things. So this is in reference to an actual real-time map and how it would be related with your OrthoMosaic in relation to the property around you. So I didn't create this flight plan, but as you can see, it's obviously definitely good enough for the purposes that they need. They want to monitor their equipment and their progress. This took me about 2 hours. It was only supposed to take about an hour, but it took me about an hour and a half. There's an hour drive there, hour drive home. But that's not really what this is about. You can see the other properties. There's a gas station over here. There's another building over here. Now, one of the coolest things is with Drone Deploy, you can actually get volumetric measurements. You can actually take measurements from, right here, from right here to right here. You can actually monitor your surface area. You can check your plant health in the area if you were using this for agriculture or bigger projects like that. You could actually take your measurements here, and that's the neat thing about this software and these precision data collecting drones and the drone technology in general. This software is extremely expensive. You really need to be running a business. Now, this is really neat part of the software. You can actually see where in your flight plan all of your photos have been taken, and you can actually click on each one of these if you want to pull up. Like right here, I clicked on this one, boom, that's what photos are in that particular spot. So it's actually just really cool software all around, but this is extremely useful for, like I said, volumetric measuring, progressive, pictures, just getting eyes on your project. So if there's something in the dumpster, then somebody's been there and they've been doing work and la-di-da. I'm John Lee with Drone Zones USA. Thanks for hanging out with me today and checking out this really cool 3D mapping modeling software called Drone Deploy. I hope you're excited about it, because I'm excited about it. I'd love to be your pilot. Drop me a message. Let's collaborate. Let's get some stuff done. Let's make some money.